In the heart of the Balkans, where mountains rise like ancient gods and history echoes in stone, was born a man whose words shaped the soul of a nation. A ruler, a poet, a philosopher, a warrior with a pen, Petar II, Petrovich Njegoš. Born in 1813 in the mountain village of Njeguši, Njegoš was more than just a leader. At the age of 17, he was chosen to succeed his uncle as the Prince Bishop of Montenegro, a role combining both secular and spiritual power. But what set him apart was not just his rule, it was his mind. He saw poetry as power, philosophy as a path, and the written word as a weapon stronger than any sword. Njegoš's passion burned in three sacred fires: freedom, faith, and the fate of his people. He was obsessed with the idea of identity, what it means to be Montenegrin, to be Christian, to be free. He was a philosopher king, a man who questioned the stars even as he defended the soil. A poet who stood shoulder to shoulder with his warriors, yet retreated inward to ask, what is man? What is God? What is justice? But if Njegoš left one legacy greater than his reign, it was his book, Gorski Vianak, The Mountain Wreath. Published in 1847, this epic poetic drama would become the heart of Serbian literature and a mirror of its soul. What Homer gave to the Greeks, Njegoš gave to the Serbs with Gorski Vianaks, a literary battle cry for identity and survival. Set in the 18th century, the book dramatizes a gathering of Montenegrin chieftains. Their mission? To purge their land of the Ottoman influence and reclaim their spiritual and national identity. But Gorski Vianac is no simple tale of war. It's a meditation on duty, on betrayal, on sacrifice. Blago onom ko dovijek živi, imao se rashta I raudati. Blessed is he who lives forever, for he had reason to be born. Through the centuries, Gorski Vianac has sparked admiration and debate. Some see it as a celebration of heroism and identity, others as a troubling echo of tribalism and violence, but none can deny its impact. It remains a cornerstone of Balkan literature, studied, quoted, and debated to this day. Njegoš died young at just 37, but he left behind a legacy immortalized in stone, in ink, and in the hearts of his people. Today, he stands not just as a ruler of Montenegro, but as a ruler of words. A giant whose verses still echo from the mountain peaks of Lovćen to the quiet corners of history. In an age of empires, Njegoš dared to dream of freedom. In a world of blood and sword, he chose the pen, and through his verses, he carved eternity. Gorski Vianac, the soul of a people, the vision of a poet. Want to read it for yourself? Link in the description.